Here's one of the biggest misconceptions about refugee claims. People think that they need to show beyond a reasonable doubt in their refugee claim, but that's actually not the case. In refugee law in Canada, you actually have a different legal test, which is on the balance of probabilities, not beyond a reasonable doubt. That's just for criminal court. Balance of probability essentially means that it is more likely than not that the facts are true. The federal court has upheld this. But here's a really important part. Refugee claimants do not need to perfect their proof. And here's something more interesting. The federal court has actually criticized decision makers when they were asking for way too much proof. So they have actually criticized wording like "we are not convinced" or "the claimant did not persuade the panel." Those are actually wordings that the federal court did not like. It's really important to remember that weak evidence does not mean that you're going to win. You still need to provide strong evidence to prove your case. But the refugee law still does recognize that when people are fleeing, they don't have perfect documentation. So that's why it's really important that your claim is credible, consistent, and overall the evidence are also important and should prove your story.